Hello everyone, this is Vivian from Sunglory. We are a professional manufacturer for turkey project. We can provide you a fully line including machines, molds, and lashing box line. Now we are in our factory to make the lashing box fully automatic production line to testing before shipment. Let me show you about the lashing box process from beginning. Here is one of the finished products. You can make one section, two sections, and any type you want. We can design it for it. We can provide A to Z lashing box solution, including technology transfer, on-site engineer services, installation, and training. If you are interested, please contact us. Set up your own factory and your own brand.